guys, Gibby with Fire Bros. A little something different today. It's an idea I came up with, I don't know, maybe a year or so ago. Well, what this is the roof that you saw me cut off this Camaro, and I kind of held on to it because I wanted to do some garage art with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this up. I ordered a 4-part stencil with our YouTube name, the Fire Bros Garage. It's going to be really cool. And then on the wall right there, that big ugly spot that used to be some cabinets, I'll paint that up, and then it's going to get mounted right there. I also have some really cool collectible Camaro art that's going to go with it. So anyway, I'll go through how to do it, where to order it from, all that good stuff. But right now, I'm going to start cleaning up these edges. To flip this upside down, and I use the back of my glove. Make sure you use gloves for this to feel for any more sharp areas. And I went all the way around, and you can see, I don't know if you can see all that on my glove, how many places caught me. So make sure you wear a glove. I don't know, this thing, I think it came out pretty good. I just got all the little edges off of it and kind of evened it all out, rounded the corners. Get it all, the edges all prepped, and got that extras cut off here. What I'm going to do now is, you can see it's kind of got some rough spots and stuff. I'm going to leave all that stuff. So next thing I'm going to do is wax and grease remover. This thing was sanded at 80 grit at one point. So I'm just going to clean it up, and then we're going to get going with the stencils. And now we got all this cleaned up, we're going to start working on our stencils. So I got these stencils from the stencil stop. I've had my logo done in PDF for quite a while, so I just sent them that, and then they send you some proofs just to approve it. You can do more layers. I did 4 layers, so I think this is 22 by 26, so it's pretty big. It's almost the biggest one they make. So anyway, pretty good instructions. Every one of these stencils has an X in the top corner, so you know exactly how they line up, and then they also have a number there too. So we'll get them lined out, get some tape on these, and we'll start with number 1, which is just part of the face. So we'll go through that. I'll put it on time lapse. It'll be a pretty cool project, I think, when it's all done. So anyway, let's get going. What we did on this, my wife's helping me on this because she's the artist, but we found center on the hood, and then center top to bottom. We put the stencil on here, made the X's. These are alignment X's, and then she cut around the whole stencil here. So we'll remove this plastic, tape all this in, but the alignment X's will stay here for us. So we'll get this taped down, and then we'll start painting. So it's complete now. As you can see, this was my 68 Camaro's roof. Cut it up, put the new one on. Kind of left it beat up, rusty, cleaned it up, and then did the stencil. So I'm gonna hang this in the garage. I think it came out awesome. You can see in the video, my wife is a heck of an artist. I definitely couldn't do what she did. But anyway, I'll put a link to the place you can order these stencils, and I think it'd be cool to keep some of our old throwaway panels alive on the garage. Anyway, like, subscribe. If you have any comments, questions, just leave it. I read them all the time. So talk to you guys soon. Next project.